Welcome to the channel where we talk about tech. Make sure that you like the video and hit the bell.
Welcome to the Modern Creative. Today we're talking about Dream Tonics. My name is Eddie Gray, your host with the most. And this software is quite impressive on a lot of different levels. Let me tell you, I've experimented with a lot of different AI playgrounds, and this one is definitively one of the best. Not only does it give you maximum control and flexibility, but its realism is outstanding. Let's check out Dream Tonics. They have 2 premium products. Let's go. When one first looks at the software, it's not that intimidating. Doesn't seem like there's that many parts, and yet an entire class can be conducted. This is a very, very deep software. So take your time when you approach it. I will say that the price is unbelievable. The value that you're getting for what it costs is immense. They will get you though, because every voice is an additional price. So you become part of this ecosystem. But let me tell you, this ecosystem is certainly worth it. Let me show you how to input data. You can go up to the tracks, and in this case I'm going to double click and I'm simply going to draw in MIDI the way I would in any DAW. I'll hold the option to drag this over to the next quarter note. I can click on the note, hit Command D, that will duplicate. The next note is D. So now I have F, C, D, and then now we go to B flat. So let me go ahead and do that now. Now we haven't selected a voice yet. Well, that's where all the magic comes in. You click here and this is where you select the voice. I only have 3 right now. Let's go ahead and take a quick listen.
I'm at the station.
All right, so that's a dude. Sounds like a K-pop thing. And probably an American singer or something. So I've selected Hayden. So this is when you start to edit the way you would in any DAW. I'm going to go ahead and extend these notes, make sure that I'm placing everything correctly. I've only had this software a couple days, and just in a couple of days, I've just been completely in a daze because this is such a deep and profound software, and I really feel like they're just getting started.
I just sat down. I'm just getting started.
Let's take a listen to the goods. Flat. Take a listen to that. All right, so there's a tremendous amount of control that you as the user have. What can we do? Well, obviously we can move the notes around. I can create pitch control points. So let's say I wanted the inflection to change a little bit. We can do that. So maybe I want this to rise up towards the end. You see the blob itself is not the note, it's the line that is fluctuating over time. And so let's go ahead and listen from bar 3 to bar 4. That is so human, it's absolutely scary. I'm going to drift downwards as if the singer is kind of bellowing down. Let's take a quick listen to that. Absolutely extraordinary. If I wanted to diminish or remove this vibrato, we absolutely can do that. Let me go ahead and flatten that curve. Here we go. I mean, that's just wow, right? I mean, the fact that we're here, it really is. I'm absolutely shocked.
A couple of near falls. I'm shocked. I thought he even nearly had Bliss beat.
I'm shocked.
This is the frontier of the very best technology, the very best cutting edge technology. If I wanted to change all these words, we can, double click and start typing away. Okay, I want to stop right there because I do want my singer to breathe, right? That would be humanistic. So I'm going to go ahead and split the note, which that's a cool and intuitive workflow. I love that you don't have to have the playhead right over. But I'm going to double click on this MIDI event, MIDI position, and I'll just type in BR. And that is going to give the singer a nice breath. Let's take a listen. That is insane. I mean, how good and how lifelike is that?
A lifelike appearance requires time and art.
Let's say I didn't like that take. Probably the most important feature in this new version of Synthesizer V Studio plugin is the fact that you can get retakes, AI retakes at that. So I can say, hey, can you play with the timing? Can you play with the pitch? Can you play with the timbre, meaning the resonant quality? So I'm going to go ahead and get another take here, and let's see what it all sounds like. Let's go from the top.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I mean, one look at the manual and you'll understand that this is, if not as deep, probably deeper than, say, a program like Melodyne. I mean, it is that dense and it is that thick. So this can be a place of study for a lot of you. This can be a place where you really learn how to master this, and maybe it even becomes a job in the near future. I mean, that is certainly plausible given everything that is going on with Suno and all the different AI stuff. We know that people get paid for tuning vocals. We know that people get paid for mixing, engineering, things like that. This could very well be a position in the near future. So I think that gives you the gist of how to draw MIDI in. We can also play MIDI in as well. So let me go ahead and just delete what we have here. Let's go ahead and play MIDI in now. I'm going to click on this plus symbol. You can also control click here within the header and create a brand new track. Let's hit record, and here we go. All right, let's see what we got. There we go. Da, 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 da. That's not a bad choice right there either. All right, so that's me playing it in, and then you have to go in here and work on the lyrics. That's a plus symbol there, and that's going to basically tie in the last word with this MIDI event. So if you ever want to connect legato style two notes, that's the way you do it. Here I'll say all my, and then here it comes again. I'm going to hit life, and then hit tab, and then hit the plus symbol so that it's being recognized on the next syllable. Let's take a listen here. Here we go. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. It created this like vocal flip. Let me go ahead and select these first notes here, and let's go ahead and play with the expression. So we'll move this up to be a bit more vibrant. Let's check that out. So that is pretty cool, pretty realistic. Let's go ahead and get an AI retake. So I'll just change all timing, pitch, and timbre. Let's check it out.
I've been running from my demons all my life.
So the last song you heard was from a film that I composed a couple of months ago called Sidra. You can check that out. This song is from a publisher They recently asked me to make some hip hop, and that's definitely in my bag. So let's take a listen to that, and then I'm going to show you how to import audio into this plugin. Here we go. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've instantiated the plugin, and now I want to just import audio in. Different ways to do that. Probably the easiest is just to grab the audio and then just drag it right in there.
Weezy pops from Zays and now she wanna. Yeah, 360 no smoke, that's a tummy tuck. Yeah, any bottles, yeah, I think I'm drunk.
All right, so that's going to work for our purposes here. I'm going to control click on that, and I'm going to extract the notes from the audio. So this is voice to MIDI conversion. Okay, let's go ahead and select a voice. We'll go back to Hayden. Okay, that actually sounds pretty darn good. Probably not a bad idea, honestly, just to throw in a compressor within the channel. And this is just going to create stability in the signal. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. All right, so just a quick plug. I am literally coming out with a brand new plugin in the next week and a half. So please look out for that. This is going to be a game-changing plugin that's going to help you understand some of the fundamentals of mixing. So do look out for that. If you want to be on my newsletter, link in the description, and you can check that out. Let me go ahead and hit the rap category here as well. You can see that the notes have now become rounded as opposed to square. And so that is an indication that you are now in rap mode. Here we go. If I go back to bar 6 here, the workflow is exactly the same. So let me go ahead and control click here, and we're going to insert the lyrics. How many syllables is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just going to see what that sounds like. All right, let's give it a go. You know I'm the one in Black Neo. Yeah, this truly is just a morsel of what's possible within this grand program. Last thing I want to show you. Dreamtonics is so next level. Not only have they provided this just massive program, but they've also provided a complimentary plugin called Vocoflex. This is a separate purchase, but let me just show you what this thing can do. If I click on the My Preset category, they've got some presets here, but you can add and create your own presets. So I'm going to go ahead and just start to create just various voices. That was a reggae voice. Let's do a tenor. I'll just throw in some random things so you can really hear the difference. Let's throw in soprano, and let's see if I could find one at the bottom here. All right, so Vocoflex is a plugin that allows you to create different textures for your vocals. I mean, you could insert it anywhere really, but you will start to create different resonances by using vocal models. So if I go back to this rap, and this time I will solo it, take a listen to what happens when I shift from these various places. Check it out.
You know I'm the one in Black Neo. Yeah, towards this and if looked is it me.
Your Eddie hand balance, yeah, I think I'm dry.
You have the ability to completely change the timbre of a voice like that. And that could be your voice too. There's a lot of parameters in here. You can upload your own files and create something that sounds unique in and of itself. All of this is also automatable with a MIDI controller, and so that is fantastic as well. Now, if you want the signal to be a little bit more honest, you could just increase the pre-gain and you should get a really solid signal. Here we go.
I'm the one in Black Neo.
Yeah, towards this and if looked is it me. Your Eddie hand balance, yeah, I think I'm dry.
I mean, it almost sounds like you're just hiring different singers, and so this could be the ultimate expressiveness tool in terms of just creating small variations, and then of course you could just completely alter the voice altogether. I'm overwhelmed, overjoyed. buy this product. Thank you so much to Dreamtonics for sending it over to me. This is definitely going to be in my arsenal from here on out. I don't know if anybody's doing it like Dreamtonics. I got to be completely honest. And I thank you so much for watching till the end. I know this was an adventure, but sometimes certain products require that. I mean, they're just that good. So much research is behind it. And so I did my best to cover it. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it if you did. Do me a favor, go ahead and comment on it so that I can start getting this thing going. And if there's any requests on your part, do send me a message. God bless you guys. God bless everyone. We'll see you guys later. Take good care. Bye.
No stove, it's out to me, yeah. In the heady battles that I didn't drive, but I'm so sorry.